day has arrived. Day has arrived. Excuse my nails. I'm taking them off tonight. I took these off earlier, but I'm gonna take them off tonight because I'm switching sets. But you guys, the day has arrived, and it is time to wash all of Baby's clothes. I was about to put them in here. So, day's finally here. We are washing all her clothes. Oh my god, this is crazy. I cannot believe that in a few weeks I'm gonna have a baby here. This is, you guys, this is pretty intense for me. Pretty intense. So, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. It's time to wash all her clothes. I am getting started on my closet. And yeah, we gotta start. We gotta, you know, she can't catch us off guard. Even though I feel like she low-key is. But you guys, how cute is this? I don't know who got me this off my registry, but whoever got it for me, thank you. I've just been getting random stuff in the mail from my registry. Oh my god. And I'm so thankful. This is really exciting, you guys. Wow, this is weird. This is weird. This is so weird. Like, just doing this, you know, like, this is different. This is very different. Like, you know, just having 2 boys and now like a bow. Like, you guys, a bow. This is weird to me. I'm not used to this. I'm really not used to this. This is not like, you guys, I literally have every colored bow you can imagine. I'm obsessed with bows. Bows are my thing. And I'm just obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm absolutely obsessed. Look at this outfit. And it comes with the bow. Y'all, I'm just like shook. This is crazy to me. This is so crazy to me. I can't believe this is, wow. This is gonna be so weird. It's gonna be so weird to me because, you know, just, I have 2 boys. You know, I have 2 boys. So to me, like, this is not the usual. I have 2 boys. Like, I'm used to dinosaurs and like cars and monster trucks and hoopla. This is new to me. This is crazy, y'all. Like, I just can't believe it, honestly. I'm still shocked. I really can't, but I'm excited, and we're doing this. It's time to wash baby's clothes. We're gonna get her little section ready. You know, I really want to get her clothes like, you know, nice and like folded. I want to give her a whole cabinet, so like a whole cabinet for herself. She's obviously gonna be really small. She's gonna be really small, so she's not gonna require a lot of space, but I want to give her like a whole cabinet for herself, and that's actually like a lot of space. Just considering, you know, I already have 2 kids, so I know how like the whole like clothes things work. When they're very little, they don't need a lot of clothes. They just need a decent amount of space, and that's exactly what I'm gonna give her. She is the reason I'm redoing my closet. Literally, like, just to open up some space for her, and obviously myself as well. But I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And it's time. It's time to wash all her clothes.
For strawberry milk.
We don't have strawberries. Baby, we don't have strawberries.
Why?
Because we don't. I don't know.
See mama eating. There you go.
How crazy is this?
How crazy are you?
How crazy is this?
What?
All these pink clothes. Like, this is just like
It's different.
different.
It's different.
It's so different. Like,
Yeah, you don't have to change it.
me, you mean ye?
No, you. I ain't
What?
changing it. I told you.
You're not changing her?
No, babe. No.
Yes, you
No,
are.
no, I'm not. No.
What?
We're gonna have a problem. babe.
Why are you not changing her? Stop being fucking weird.
No, babe.
So how does Peter change Ariana?
That's his problem.
How did my dad change me?
That's his problem.
How did your dad change Carmen?
He did it.
Yes, he did. Yes, he did. What? Get the fuck out
I'm
of
talking about my dad.
here. Your dad? Okay, well, we don't ever talk about your dad because you don't even consider your dad your dad.
But that's my dad.
Okay, how did Elios change Carmen?
Huh?
How did Elios change Carmen?
He's weird.
It's not weird. It's gonna. No. You're changing the first diaper in the hospital.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
I'm gonna tell the nurse to do it.
You're so stupid.